So guys, how to scale object without affecting its line thickness or weight? It's really simple. Let's select the free transform tool by pressing on Q, then select the object. Now scale it up. Click on somewhere else. See, the line thickness is increasing with the scale. But we want to keep the same line thickness even after scaling our object. So for that, let's undo. Select the objects. Go to right side, object, under object we have the scale, click on the drop down, from here select the normal. Now if we scale it again, press somewhere else, see our line thickness is not affected by the scale. So when you are scaling any object, just go to object, scale and experiment with normal and none. So guys, that's how easily we can scale objects in Adobe Animate without affecting its line thickness or weight. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.